Saving money and energy doesn't have to be hard. As a matter of fact, you and your family can start saving money today. Make sure to take full advantage of My Energy on PG&E.com. There's a lot of helpful tools and information here, and it's super easy to use. First, start by setting up an account, and all you need to get started is an email address and a phone number or a meter number associated with your account. Once you're signed up, you can see how easy it is to view your usage day by day and even compare your energy use to similar households in your area. And this way, you get smart about your energy consumption. Then make sure to take the Home Energy Checkup. Just answer a few simple questions about your home and energy habits, and you'll see where your household energy is being spent. You'll also receive a personalized list of changes you can make to boost your home's energy efficiency with estimates of how much money you'll save. Return often to set goals and track your progress. You can also set customized energy alerts to keep you on top of your energy game. And this way you'll know if you start using more energy than usual. Finally, My Energy makes it easy to manage and pay your bills online. Here's where you can sign up for automatic payments and even enroll in PG&E's Balanced Payment Plan, which makes your monthly payments more predictable. PG&E will average your energy costs over a 12-month period, helping to eliminate big swings in your monthly payments. So those are just a few quick and easy tips to help you get started saving energy today. And don't forget, PG&E has a lot of energy-saving programs and rebates. So visit My Energy on PGE.com and see which program might be just right for you. Together, we're building a better California.